Good afternoon, Lily. Today we're going to discuss an important topic, recycling. Have you ever recycled anything?
Hi, Professor. Yes, I recycle bottles and paper at home.
That's great to hear. Recycling helps reduce waste and conserve resources. Can you tell me why it's important to recycle?
I think it helps protect the environment and saves materials.
Exactly. Recycling reduces the need for new raw materials, which helps protect natural habitats and conserve energy. When we recycle, we turn waste materials into new products, which reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Do you know what happens to waste that isn't recycled?
It goes to landfills, right?
Yes, and when waste goes to landfills, it takes up space and can release harmful chemicals. Landfills also produce methane gas, which is a potent greenhouse gas. So by recycling, we help reduce the amount of waste in landfills. Can you name some common items that can be recycled?
Sure. Bottles, cans, paper, and cardboard.
Correct. Glass, aluminum, and various types of plastic can also be recycled. Do you know how the recycling process works?
Not really. Can you explain it?
Of course. First, recyclable materials are collected from homes, businesses, and recycling centers. They are then taken to a recycling facility where they are sorted by type: paper, plastics, metals, and glass. Each type of material is cleaned and processed into raw materials that can be used to manufacture new products. For example, recycled paper is turned into new paper products, and recycled plastic can be made into clothing, toys, or even more plastic bottles.
Wow, that's interesting. I didn't know recycled materials could be used for so many things.
Yes, it's quite amazing. Recycling not only helps conserve natural resources, but also saves energy. For instance, recycling aluminum cans saves 95% of the energy required to make the same amount of aluminum from raw materials. Do you know why saving energy is important?
I think it helps reduce pollution and conserve resources.
Exactly. Saving energy reduces the need for power plants to burn fossil fuels, which decreases air pollution. This in turn helps combat climate change. Another benefit of recycling is that it creates jobs in the recycling. So, recycling has both environmental and economic benefits.
That makes a lot of sense. I didn't realize how much impact recycling has.
It really does. And there are many ways we can incorporate recycling into our daily lives. For example, we can use reusable bags instead of plastic ones, choose products with minimal packaging, and compost organic waste. Do you know what composting is?
Isn't it when you turn food scraps and yard waste into soil?
Yes, exactly. Composting is a natural process that breaks down organic materials like food scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil. This soil can then be used in gardens to help plants grow. Composting reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and provides a valuable resource for gardening.
I'll start looking for those products when we go shopping.
That's wonderful, Lily. Composting is a great way to recycle organic waste. Another tip is to buy products made from recycled materials. Many items, from paper products to clothing, are made from recycled content. By choosing these products, you support the recycling industry.
That sounds like a great idea. We have a garden at home. Maybe we can start composting.
Excellent. Every small action counts. Remember, recycling is part of a larger concept known as the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing waste means using fewer resources. Reusing items means finding new ways to use old things. And recycling means turning waste materials into new products.
That's really helpful. I'll try to follow the 3 R's from now on.
I'm glad to hear that, Lily. Here's a little challenge for you. Try to find 3 items in your home that you can reduce, reuse, or recycle in a new way. It could be anything from turning an old jar into a storage container to using both sides of paper before recycling it.
That sounds fun. I'll do that and tell my family about it too.
That's the spirit. Remember, educating others about recycling is also important. When more people understand the benefits and how to recycle correctly, we can make a bigger impact. Do you have any questions about recycling or the 3 R's?
Not right now, but I'm sure I'll think of some later.
Feel free to ask anytime. Just remember, every effort you make to recycle and reduce waste helps protect our planet. Keep up the great work, Lily, and continue to be mindful of your impact on the environment.
Thank you, Professor. I've learned a lot today and will definitely start recycling more.
You're very welcome, Lily. I'm proud of your enthusiasm. Keep learning and sharing your knowledge with others. Together, we can make a difference.